Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Highway to Hell on electric guitar. First, let's tackle the iconic main riff. Begin with a power chord, striking it with a strong downstroke. Then, transition smoothly to a D power chord. Next, move to a G power chord, holding it briefly before returning to the D power chord. Repeat this progression, focusing on a consistent rhythm and clear chord changes. This forms the backbone of the song. Now, let's break down the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse maintains a straightforward A to D power chord progression, played with a consistent, driving rhythm. For the pre-chorus, you'll shift to a G power chord, followed by a D power chord. This creates a slight build-up in energy, preparing for the chorus. Pay attention to the timing and feel, ensuring your strumming is tight and powerful. Moving into the chorus, you'll encounter a powerful sequence of G, C, and D power chords. Strum these with conviction, emphasizing the strong downbeats to capture the song's anthemic feel. Focus on smooth and quick transitions between these three chords to maintain momentum. Understanding the song's key, a major, will also help you prepare for the upcoming guitar solo, even if you're not playing it yet. For the solo, Angus Young primarily uses the A minor pentatonic scale. Focus on incorporating bends and vibrato to add expression and character to your playing. Start slowly, practicing each lick until it feels natural, then gradually increase your speed. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering these techniques. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.